I'm Paul, and this is a Yates American J-180 Thickness planer. It's a machine manufactured sometime in the 1950s. It has a 18-inch wide by 6-inch thick capacity. And this machine, when I got it, it was severely abused and broken, had a broken table. It was rusted, it had been left out in the rain. And it's actually two machines combined. I bought a second machine so I could replace the table that was broken. Initially I was not taking any video of the work, so I'm going to start out going through some photos of work I was doing early on, and then I'll get into some video, and hopefully it'll provide some outline of what was involved to restore this machine. So this is a direct drive machine. The motor shaft and rotor and the cutter head are all the same spindle. And then here's the drivetrain. So there's a flat belt here that runs down to a larger pulley. Get out of the way. And that pulley, along with a Reeves drive and some transmission, reduces the belt speed down to drive the chain, which is the feed rollers for the machine. So the boards that I was running through earlier were with the Reeves drive on the low range here. I'm going to fire up the machine and adjust the Reeves drive to the high range, and then I'll show you a clip of a board running through at that high range. It's kind of surprising how fast the board runs through at that high range. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this introduction to the Yates American J-180. I hope to have some additional segments put together detailing how I acquired it and refurbished it, so please check back every now and then. Thanks.